Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our inside, outside, middle block, or Aniso, Pakaro, Maki.
Aniso, Pakaro, Maki, sir.
One more time. Aniso,
Aniso,
Pakuro,
Pakuro,
Maki.
Maki.
Inside to outside, middle block. Good. We're going to load just like the high block with the bottom hand down and the blocking hand on the bottom and the chainring on the top, but this time the palm is facing downwards. Both palms facing downwards. Good. He's going to take a step into that sideways position. He's going to twist to bring his block out. Good. Notice how his middle finger is lined up with the middle of his face. We don't want to bring this out here or up here or anywhere around here. It's cutting off the middle of you. You should be right in front of your nose, but not literally right in front of your nose because we don't want to hit our own face. Good, and reset. And opposite side, load, step, twist, bring it out. Good, and chamber, nice and strong. And reset. Once more from the side on the pad. Ready, load, step, twist, bring it out. Excellent. And reset. That is our inside to outside middle block, or Aniso Pakaro Maki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.